Hey guys, I just got finished filming a whole lot of videos and I just wanted to show you something really quickly. I've got a lot of questions about this diamond twill pattern. If you haven't seen the tutorial yet, you can check it out. I'll put a link here. You can also get this PDF completely free by signing up for my email list at spruceandlinen.com. It's on the first page there. But a lot of people have wanted a larger version of this, so I'm just going to quickly show you how you can actually do it yourself. So all you're going to do is, depending on how big you want your weaving, you might need to print out more, but I'm going to just show you with 2 here. And it's actually really simple how you can expand this. So you'll notice here that the first and last rows are the same. So in order to expand this, I'm actually just going to go in and I'm going to cut off this first row, since that's right there as well. So you can trim it off like that. You can butt it up against your other sheet and just tape it together, and now you have an expanded version. Now, if you're looking for a specific number of warp strings, you can like figure out how to do that too. So say I wanted just to add in, let's say, 1 extra diamond. So then I'm actually going to cut right here. So let's do that now. And then you can tape that up against there. So that's just a really simple, easy way that you can use this already made PDF pattern that many of you I know have, and create a larger version of this. You don't need a whole nother printout for it. You can just kind of print out as many as you need to expand it. And everything else is going to be the same, it's just wider, but you can use this as a guide. So I hope that was really helpful and just shows you a super simple way that you can expand that diamond twill pattern, and I can't wait to see you guys make bigger diamond twill wall hangings. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell to get notifications when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. This video is brought to you by the Spruce and Linen shop, where you can find weaving kits, tools, materials, and supplies. Link in the description box below.